This is SCW Training Video 20, Work Efficiency and Improving Performance. Contractors are hard-pressed to find ways to gain a competitive advantage and improve slim profit margins. One of the few opportunities we have to improve the bottom line is to increase productivity. Our goal is to complete projects more quickly, with lower production costs, to submit a more competitive bid and make each project more profitable. Part 1. Problems with efficiency. Studies have shown that some workers on construction projects can be unproductive for 50% of their time on site. That's half of their entire time on site. The main culprit of this lost time comes from waiting around. 1/3 of the total project time on some jobs can sometimes be composed of workers simply not doing anything. There are many other drains on productivity: having to clean up the job site, redoing substandard work, dealing with accidents, replacing wasted or stolen materials, poorly planned materials management. If you are not going to be ready for an inspection or a pour, contact your supervisor as soon as possible to reschedule. Or, if you know you can be ready sooner, let the project manager know so that we can try and move pours up quicker. Poor organization. Decisions aren't made in a timely manner, or processes are mishandled. Poor communication. Workers, crew leaders, project managers, and owners do not have a common understanding. Flawed performance management. Unresolved issues stack up and slow down the whole process. Misconnections. If the daily work is not finished, priorities aren't updated. Part 2. Solutions. Given the complexity of the construction process, all these problems can stack up. Improving productivity is easy to pose as a strategic objective, but much harder to implement. Let's look at the ways we can do this. Don't stand around. There are always things to be done on a site. Pick up tools, prepare for the next task, help load and unload. If you can't find anything to do, ask your crew leader what you can help with. Do things correctly and move with urgency. Find the most efficient way to carry out a task with as few mistakes as possible. Redoing work is very unproductive and costly. Mistakes are always made, but we learn from them so that we don't repeat them. Which brings us to learn from each job. Determine what went well and what didn't. Set goals for improvement. For example, if you observe that productivity slides when a certain piece of equipment is used, we can set a goal to use the equipment more efficiently with the crew leader providing training. Better planning. Planning can improve when workers give feedback to their crew leaders, who will then give suggestions to project managers. We can all work together to better plan for future jobs. Training. If a worker doesn't know how to do something, he should ask. Crew leaders should also seek to train their crew. Making sure everyone knows how to carry out their tasks properly will always be more efficient. Increasing productivity is everyone's job. All workers should search for ways to achieve greater productivity when they see it. Involving everyone means that our workers will look at goals as making progress, instead of finding blame. We reward a good performance. Those workers who are most productive and efficient will be given promotions, free lunches, recognition, and wage increases. To review, there are a variety of drains on productivity, including poor planning, redoing work, inadequate communication, and waiting around. We need to fill our time by always keeping the site moving and productive, learning from previous mistakes, planning our projects by giving feedback, and the proper training can all help to increase the efficiency of our job sites. Workers who show a drive to be more productive will be rewarded. And thanks for watching.